Which of the following statements can you assume to be true based on the data below? Select all that apply. The data is symmetric. If the data were symmetric, it would look more like this. But this data set, it doesn't look too symmetric. It looks like it's actually skewed a little bit. And we say this is skewed to the right. It's not skewed to the left. It's skewed to the right because all this big chunk of data is over on the right-hand side. If it were skewed to the left, it would look something more like this, where all the data is over on the left-hand side. Symmetric is when it's all symmetrical like this. Everything's sort of in the center and spread evenly. Skewed to the left, we have the big chunk on the left, but this one is skewed to the right. And, okay, so we know that B is the correct answer here. We know that A and C are not correct. They don't describe the shape. But what about D and E? The mean is greater than the median, or the median is greater than the mean? Okay, so when we are skewed to the right, the median doesn't change because we still have all of these little values out here. The median, it's not going to really affect the median much, but this big chunk of data here is going to pull the mean over. It's heavily weighted on this side. When it's skewed, we can think of this like a scale. It's going to tip over because we have all of these values over here. So the mean will be greater than the median because the median is still going to be somewhere here, somewhere a little bit more central, but the median gets pulled over because we have a lot of large values over here. Even though this isn't in the middle of the data set, all these large values that we have are going to make the mean be much greater. So the mean is greater than the median. On the other hand, if it were skewed to the left, it would be the opposite. That's what choice E is talking about. The median is greater than the mean if it were skewed to the left. But in this case, it's skewed to the right, so the mean is greater than the median.